Hello team. You know that I am Microsoft SQL administrator. I am working from so long time. So in the process of enhancing my skills, I came to know that if we don't learn any open source RDBMS database, we cannot survive in the IT market in future. So that's the reason I pick up the Postgres SQL to be there in my resume. So to make myself familiar to the Postgres SQL, as a first attempt, I'm trying to like learning through various online resources like W3 schools and various blogs of. Actually, my main intention is to learn like database administrator, but I cannot show that right now what I am learning, right? So I have done a video on how to done install of Postgres SQL Server on CentOS 7, and I will show that in Windows as well. As of before recording this video, I already installed and everything, but I will show you to how I am learning like things and everything. Okay, so just go to the Google, type Postgres SQL in W3 schools. We got this interaction, right? So since I'm having some knowledge like on I'm just removing that dog. I don't want to do this. I don't know why it is directing. I'm having a simple like on not on T-SQL, which is related to Microsoft SQL. Using that knowledge only, I am doing that. Since I know some introductions, like how the basic syntax is like is same, but little bit syntax will be there. So first, I have gone through all these like how to create the table, insert table. First, you have to go through that each and every document before doing this, like everything. Okay, so, but since I have done that very after in a very long time, so that's the reason I am directly moving to the quiz, Postgres SQL quiz. Now come here, click on start the Postgres SQL quiz. Okay, here I am having 25 questions here. Which SQL statements you use to create a new table in the database? So new table always create table, right? In the SQL Server also we used to create. So next, which SQL statement is used to update the data? Update. Which SQL statements is you delete the record? To delete, this one is use. Which SQL clause is used to return the maximum number of rows? Maximum number size count. Which SQL clause used to return 20 records but skip the first record? Limit 20, offset 40. Which SQL statement is used to insert a new record into table? To insert a new record, right? Insert no, right? No. Add no, alter new. Insert into only. How which is with SQL? How do you select a column name model from a table cards? Select from cards. That's it. The semicolon at the end of the provision is optional. As in the person you can script and semicolon no. In the semicolon is required. Yes, I think the two SQL statements will return the same results and model as car no. If you delete one record from a table in a Postgres SQL database with what is the return value given one deleted one, this one, with what is a valid SQL statement to delete all the records in a table? This is also first correct, but we think we need to use the car, right? So as of now, I didn't use the truncate all the records, delete table cards. Okay. Actually, these are the I believe in truncate will table cards. it will truncate, so I will go with truncate only. How many rows will be returned if we use cross join with 10 into 8? 10 into 8, how much it is? 80. So I will go with 80. What is the correct way of concatenating two fields in select field? Plus concatenate is combining. What is the correct way of creating an alias as? I will go this one only. Let's see. So what is the function can be used to return the smallest value minimum? What is which SQL statement is used to return only different value? Select distinct. With which SQL keyword is used to sort and select statement order by sort, sort order by. With SQL, how can you return the number of records in select confirm station? Which operator is used to select values within range? Between range within no between only. The like operator is case sensitive. False. The less than operator can be written. As of now, I use this one only. I didn't use this one and this one. Maybe less than also you can use. I'm not sure. But I believe all options these are three. Let's go this one. The not equal operator. The not equal to operator can be written as this one. We can also use this one is also we can use. I select both. Which is not a valid operator in Postgres. I like is like and as I have seen is I think he is right. Say I like only. I think I like I have seen. I select I go for I is only. Let's see how it goes. When creating a table with data type can be used from creating test field. Varchar in Postgres SQL, what keyword is used to create a numeric field that will start automatically increase serial increment. So in overall 25, I got 18 questions in Postgres SQL. Check your answers. So I would like to check what is our new table, this right, new table. Which SQL is used to return a maximum number of rows? Maximum of correct answer is limit. I don't know. Okay, I thought that it would be like a number of rows, right? Okay, I can like return how many records. That is also true, but I understand this in different way. So limit is right, insert is right. So the two SQL statements return the same result. Select model as car. Select model car from cars. Okay, you correct answer is yes. Okay, let's see. Delete one. Truncate table 80. Correct the correct way control to place not symbol. Okay, these are the two symbols. I think so. Okay, no problem. So create alias model as migrate car. Right. Okay. So minimum select distance order by count between the like operator is case sensitive. Okay, I should like false. It is a case sensitive. Okay, this is only correct, right? But I just selected this one. No problem. Both will be valid options. Is varchar here increment. I think correct answer is serial. Okay, maybe in the use code we used increment, right? So yeah, these are all the questions. I hope you may like this video, and let's see like how quiz goes. This one is right. This is the Postgres SQL quiz. Now I would like to go to tutorials as well. Come down, exercises. Yeah, Postgres SQL exercises. So start. I'm going to exercise as well. Write the correct SQL statement to create a new table called cards. So create table cards. Yeah, this is correct. Complete the SQL statement to include an integer called year. Okay, year for init. Okay, just close the bracket. Now that's it. So I think create table cars brands. Brand is equal to year. Worker is equal to year. Interior character, right? So what is wrong at here? Here int. I think here need to give the capital letters. Yeah. Complete the SQL statement to include a text field called color with maximum 10 characters. Field called color. Okay. And field character. What is the field character? Varchar 10. That's it. Come down. Click submit. Write the correct SQL statement to insert the new records in the car tables. Correct the SQL statement to insert into cars values. Write the correct SQL statement to insert three records into the car tables. Everything is good. Values here, right? Just close the bracket. Close the bracket. I think comma is saying so. Let's see what is. Yeah. Here I forgot that. Next. Write the correct SQL statement to add the column named colors. I'm just copying that to not write the correct to add a column. What is the alter table cars add. Write the correct SQL statement to update the value of model column to Brownaco for any record where the brand is Ford. So update car set model is equal to where is the brand. Click submit. Write the correct SQL statement to change the data type of the year field from integer to worker. Alter table cars alter table cards, తర్వాత add, modify, I think so. Modify. No, I don't answer to be frank. Alter column. Type worker. Write the correct SQL statement to remove the column from the table. SQL to remove a column from a table. Remove. Okay. Alter table. Remove column. Delete all the records from the column brand. Delete from cards where brand value is Volvo. Delete all the records. Delete from cards. You can delete all the records in that table with this statement, but there is another statement. Yeah, truncate table. Write the correct SQL statement to delete the entire table cards. And drop table cards. You write the correct SQL statement to select all the records where the value of the field year is less than 170. Write the correct SQL statement where the field of year where year less than 1970. Write the correct SQL statement to select all the records where the field module starts with capital letters. Where module like comma starts with right M percentage. Ends with capital like so. Okay, I think so. Yeah, I don't think I like complete the SQL statements so that it can return all the cars with either the brand Ford or the brand value. So here, right, I need to where brand is equal to Ford or hello, I know. Okay, but select all the calls where the year field has a value of between 19 and 80. Where year between Hmm. Select all the customers where the customer name field contain at least one A character hint while use. Where A Select all the customers where the country field is one of the values where one of the field of values in the list. Where country in Select all the customers where country field is not one of the fields. Where not in. Write the correct SQL statement to select all the columns and all the records. Select star from. Write the correct SQL statement to select the column city and country from the collector. Okay. Select city, comma, country from customers. Write the correct SQL statement to select all the records from the customer table where city is equal to Berlin. Where city equal to Berlin. Okay, sorry. I forgot to tell that it. City. Write the correct SQL statement to select all the records with the brand value Ford and the year value is greater than where brand is equal to 4 and year greater than 1970. Write the correct SQL statement to sort the alphabetical order by customers. Write the correct SQL statement to sort the reals by year from the newest year. Order by old newest also order by year descending order. Write the correct SQL statement to select only the column country from the table. Write the correct SQL statement to select column country from the table customers, but return only different values. Text. Write the correct SQL statement to select first 10 records. Make an alias field from the customer name. List the numbers of customers in each country. Count customer country. group by country. Use the correct function to return the lowest value of minimum price. Use the correct function to return the highest value from the field of price. Use the correct function to return the number of records. Use the correct total sum of. Use the correct function to return the average number of all values. Select, insert the missing join. Insert the joining clause to join the two tables orders and customer using the customer ID. So join customers. Choose the correct join clause. Choose the correct join clause to select all the records from the customer table plus all the matches in the order table. Table plus all the matches in the order table. I think right join. How many rows will be returned if we cross join 1080? Cartesian product, right? So 10 into 80. You have finished all 91 exercises. Share close. So as of now, I have completed that quiz and also exercises to make myself familiar to the Postgres SQL. So, and I would like to show I have already installed like Postgres SQL in Windows Server. In other video, like I am going to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation, I will show that how we can install that. So as of now, if you want to share, I will show one thing here. So this is my PostgreSQL cell. So type I am taking localhost here. Database is Postgres by default. I am selecting yes. Port number 5432 is default. Yes, I'm not giving it already selected. I just pressing enter. Username is Postgres. Password is like 123. Why? Because since it is so here my if you want to create the table, create table. Like what is the pen Ravi? Toga ID init, close the bracket. And if you want enter, yeah, you didn't get any executed. Why? Because you didn't mention semicolon. If you see that syntax error near create table harsha 2. Yeah, so the table what created. If you want to see select star from harsha 2. So there are no records. So if you want insert into harsha 2 values 1 semicolon enter. So insert into Asha2 values. I think here I need to, yeah, semi I think is for the, so now if you want to see select Asha from SHA2 semicolon. See one row got affected and is what is one row. So this is how we can familiar by because in mostly we in this like Postgres SQL Server we have may seen in the mostly in the Linux environment. So as of now we may have like PG admin. I will show that one as well. Click yes. Expand this Postgres. Double click on that. Why? Because I already saved the password here. Postgres, right? So, so if you want to do query anything, just select the Postgres database, click on tools. Here you can do query tool. So here you can type select star from SHA2 presenter. So it is one. Okay, so you can use the, if you are familiar with the GUI SSMS kind, you can use this PG admin tool as well somewhat instead of using cell. So I recommend like a PG admin mostly from who guys who came from Microsoft SQL, and so simultaneously I will recommend to use this cell as well. Why? Because we need to make familiar from Linux environment too as well. So I hope you may like this my attempt, and if you go through that, I will make the how we can install in Postgres SQL 15 as of now. But in 1 week back only, like 16 version got released. So as hurry we no need to install like Postgres 16. Okay, so whatever it's all about just it is like between like test machine. So I just went to the 15. So I just you may like this my attempt, and hope you may like this video, and thank you. Bye.